Hello guys, so today we are going to see day 2 of the 100 days CAT series, and we are talking about the backbone of VARC, reading comprehension. If you are preparing seriously for CAT, you already know RCs alone make up to 2/3 of the paper. That's right. So if you crack RCs, you crack VARC. Think about it. Para jumble, summary, odd one out, all these are 1-2 question types, but RC you get 4 passages with 4 to 5 questions each. That's where your percentile is built or broken, and VARC itself is a very important section. So ignoring RCs is like ignoring 70% of the section. Now, here's the truth. Many mentors will say, read Aeon essays, read The Economist, read everything under the sun. But let's be real. If you're starting now, or if you have not prepared yet, you don't have the luxury of reading 3 articles daily for 6 months. The exam is close and the time is limited. That's why my advice is simple. Stop overthinking, start practicing. Don't worry about building a reading habit now. Focus on solving actual CAT level RCs every single day. That helped me, that will help you, I guarantee that. Here's what I suggest. Practice at least 4 RC passages daily starting from today. This is excluding mocks and sectional tests you are already attempting. Solve them in exam-like conditions, no distractions, with strict timer. After solving, spend equal time analyzing mistakes. Why did you get that inference wrong? What did tone confuse you, etc. Now the big question, where to practice from? We have n number of resources, but if you'll run back to all the resources, you'll never be able to do it. So start from past CAT papers. You can start from 2017 to 2024. That's Bible for RCs. Arun Sharma VA RC book is highly recommended if you want some extra practice. What used to do was CAT RCs are very important, and for that I had RC 99, which is GMAT RCs, and that is so good. You have different level of passages there, easy, medium, tough. You have explanation and the answers. So if you want that, you can go, and that is actually really good. You can start with easy level, go to medium, tough, or you can mix up questions, mix up RCs, and then try to analyze yourself and write what did you understand from each paragraph in the RCs, and then you can go back to the answer and see if that actually meant or not, and then you can match all your answers. So you have solutions and everything. That is really good. Now the last would be if you're taking any coaching, so you have coaching material, or if you have mocks of IMS, time, CL, anything, so you can practice from there. I would recommend RC 99 and past CAT papers. If you do these both, I think you're good to go. So start practicing now. That's it. Don't collect 100 sources, stick to these and be consistent. So remember, RCs are not about reading speed, they are about thinking speed. With daily practice, you'll start recognizing patterns, how to eliminate options, how to catch author's tone, and how to avoid traps. You'll also get to understand that what specific thing you're not comfortable with. For example, there are some students who are not comfortable with inference question. I was not comfortable with tone question. Some would be in conclusion based. So start noticing your weaknesses and work on them. So day 2 done. We'll move for another part for VARC. Stay tuned. Start with 4 RCs today itself. I'm repeating it again and again. Trust me, in 100 days you'll thank yourself. You don't have 100 days now. So please just start. So like my video, share and subscribe if you are relating to it, and stay hard.